we're gonna test both the ETS 30 round mag and this is Black Rambo's ammo. Mr. Black Rambo. I believe this is 124 grain. So we're gonna see what your numbers actually are and compare to what it says online. So I'm testing your ammo out, brother. And here we go. This is coming out of a, I believe this is a 5-inch barrel with the extent, I think it's a 5-inch barrel. Here we go. 5 shots of testing. That is 1146. 1146, Mr. Black Rambo. Let me do 4 more. Here we go, Mr. Black Rambo. $11.62. Mr. Black Rambo, here goes another one.